So we've got a bunch of files uploaded. Now let's do a little messing around with them to see some of the features that we have. So first of all, next to each file there's a series of icons. Remember, this only appears when editing is on. If I turn editing off, then they disappear. Turn editing back on, they appear. So the first one is this compass, these 4 arrows. If I hold on that compass and hold, and I move my mouse, I can see a little gray line showing that the file will be moved to a new location. That's really handy for if you make a mistake and want to move a file, say from section 1 to section 2. You can also indent, that's the next icon, and that allows you to create a little more outline format just so the students can see an important file and then files that are related to that file, but maybe just supporting. So you have a full kind of outlining ability on the front page. The next one is a pencil, which allows you to edit. So for example, if I don't want the full file name to show up, I can click this pencil and I can say, oh, let's get rid of that .odt. Or I could change the name here. There's a couple other options. When in doubt, you can always just hide advanced and save. One thing to know about is this forced download. If you check that, it'll automatically download to the computer when they click on it. Sometimes in some web browsers, if that's not clicked, it'll try to open it up inside the web browser. And that can work, sometimes it doesn't work. So if students are complaining that they try to click on a file and it doesn't appear, go ahead and edit the file and check this forced download. At the bottom, when I'm editing, I always get 2 options: save and return to course, or save and display. Save and return to course take me to the front page. Save and display is like taking me to the front page and then immediately clicking the link. So if I do save and display, it'll instantly download the file. Okay. This red X is delete. So if I click on that, it says, do you want to delete? And I say OK. And it disappears. If I don't want to delete but just don't want students to see it, I can click on this eyeball and click hide. So if I have a key that I only want to reveal after we've corrected the homework in class, I can click that eyeball to hide it and then reveal it when the time comes. I can also hide this entire section 1. On the side here, I click this eyeball and they all go gray. So students can't see it, but I can. If I want to make sure what students can see and not see, up here I have this ability to switch role. I can click on that, switch role to student, and now this is what a student sees. As you can see, they don't even know section 1 is there. Clicking return to my normal role reveals that it is there, it's just grayed and hidden. Turn editing back on, and I can reveal. Come back next time for more information about how to spruce up your front page.